I'm Jeff, and welcome to my basement finishing project. So this little sub-project, the subject of this video, is going to be building a wall of sliding barn doors. And the reason I'm doing that is this whole wall is going to be used for storage. So you can see I've already got it framed. There's the insulation on the walls. Eventually there's going to be insulation, fiberglass insulation inside of that framed wall. The rough wiring is done, pending inspection, fire blocking, yada yada. Up here, we had a soffit built around some of the HVAC equipment. This is just under 12 feet wide. So what I need to do next is I need to build a framing system all the way across this full width here, which is just shy of 35 feet. So it's a big length. I have to bring this down so that I have structure that I can screw the hardware in for the rails that the barn doors are going to ride on. So my current plan, pending confirmation, is to have two parallel tracks so that I can have sets of barn doors bypass one another, and I can really open it up to get access to big stuff. I'm probably going to move the refrigerator in there, maybe a chest freezer, to be determined. But I wired it in such a way to give me lots of flexibility. So this soffit is suspended from structural members that are screwed into, you probably can't see, screwed into the joists up above. So the primary force here, once I hang these doors, is going to be in this direction. So framing is really strong in compression from above. It's not strong in tension. So the plan is I'm probably going to bring this down 3 2x4 widths approximately. I haven't decided that for certain. And then I'm going to have to build supports on the sides running out to the end between the joists that I can then hang down from. And because it's going to be hanging, because there's going to be tensile force underneath it, my plan is to build all those and then put plywood on one or both sides. That will give it the tensile strength that it needs. Not that these doors are going to be super heavy, but again, if I just nailed that, we just end in 2x4, those nails are going to wiggle and loose and come out. So I'm going to get working on that. So please follow along, hope you enjoy, and then we'll see if we can make this crazy idea work. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the doors are going to run right down through here. So I still need to build the support structure underneath, but I just want to make sure this is stiff enough now that I put that in. So that ought to hold a couple doors.
No need to see a marker, just gonna line it up with that 2x6.